back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do a get unready with me / nighttime routine. It is currently about 2 a.m. We just got done driving from one city to the other. That was about an hour and a half, and this makeup has been on since the morning. So it's time to take it off. If you see it messy and crusted and busted, is because it's just time to take it off. It's been a long day. So I figured I would get on here and show you guys what I do for my nighttime routine and how I get unready. And don't mind my sister just chilling right here. Before we get into this video, let me go ahead and just change out of my outfit and get into something comfortable, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're in something comfortable now. Let me just show you guys, I wasn't kidding. It is 2:17 a.m. and I'm filming. I don't know what I'm thinking. First things first, what I always do is get this hair out of my face. By the way, today, if you saw my hair this morning, this was supposed to be a retro hairstyle, and now it's like completely flat and ugly looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and first get all the hair out of my face because I don't wanna wet my hair when I'm washing my face. I go in with washing my face really well. So I'm trying out these hair ties. These are supposed to be like one of the best hair ties for your hair. These are the 3 traceless hair rings. It avoids headaches, cares for your hair, it's non-soaking, it has a strong grip, and it's really good for an updo. You guys can find these at Walgreens. I heard good stuff about it, so I want to go ahead and try it out myself. And these stretch like really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tie this up so that I get all the hair out of my face. All right, so I went ahead and I got at least about 4 ties around, and I feel the grip of my hair. So that's nice and secure and tightened well. They feel comfortable. It feels like it pushed everything to the back, so that's a good sign. So since I have lashes on, I'm gonna first remove that. Oh my goodness. That's like the best feeling ever. So this lash was already coming off, so it was easy for me to take it off. This, I'm having a hard time taking out. So rather than ripping my lash off, what I'll do is, this is my favorite thing. I've been using this method and it's so natural and organic and really good for you. I just have pure extra virgin olive oil in here. You can get this from any store. I just have it in an empty container. This happens to be a face primer setting spray container with a pump. So if my lashes is stuck and I'm having a hard time taking it off, I just go ahead and grab a little bit of the olive oil, and then I just put it at the band, the lash band. That way it makes it easier for me to take off. So that pulls it out nicely. And then I'll go ahead and, obviously I want to reuse these lashes, so I'll just clean it off later. So the best thing that I could tell you guys for a tip, rather than using a makeup remover from whichever brand, olive oil is the best makeup remover ever. I've been using olive oil as a makeup remover to remove my eye makeup, not my face makeup, but my eye makeup, for at least 5 years. That's all I use to remove my eye makeup. It's natural. There's no harsh chemicals or anything like that. You know exactly what's in here. So what I do is I basically just grab whatever amount. Now I'm gonna look crazy at first, I'll let you guys know that, but nobody's seeing you when you're taking your makeup off. And I just rub my eyes with it. As you guys can see, you can see all the fallout. So that's the first step, is I just first rub my eyes with the olive oil. Next thing that I do is I grab my cleanser. Now there's 2 different cleansers that I usually use. For scrubbing, or if I want to exfoliate, I use the Biore scrub. I use this, I would say, maybe 3 to 4 times a week, or if I feel like I have a lot of makeup on and a regular cleanser is not enough, I go in with a cleanser and then I go in with this. But recently I've been trying the Clarisonic Mia 2, and I feel like this is sufficient enough. With my hands, when I'm just using a regular cleanser with my hands, I just feel like it's not removing everything, I usually have to go in with a scrub or a couple makeup wipes to make sure that everything is gone. But with this, it cleans 10 times more than your regular hands. So I really feel like it goes into your pores and removes all the dirt, removes all the makeup. So I don't have to worry about having any additional makeup or have to go in with my makeup wipes after. So this honestly has been my go-to. I feel like I can't just use my hands anymore. I'm not removing all the dirt. When I use this, I can sleep knowing that I have no marks of makeup on my face. This is the only cleanser that I've been using ever since I've been on this trip. I've been here for 2 weeks, and this is the only cleanser that I brought with me other than the Biore scrub. Pure Skin Face Cleanser by First Aid Beauty. It's safe for sensitive skin, and it removes surface oils, makeup dirt, and grime. All right, so I went ahead and just wet my face. I applied the cleanser on the brush of the Clarisonic, and I'm gonna turn it on and basically just start cleansing out all the makeup, removing all the dirt. So I'm just doing this in circular motion. If you want a little bit more foam or soapier texture, then I'm just gonna go ahead and add some water. It's safe to add water in this. Oh my God, this is so disgusting. Can you guys see all this? This feels like a massage. It's so relaxing. So I just do this in circular motion all around my face. Since I had a lot of makeup on, I had an engagement party, so it's tons of makeup than I normally do. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face and then go in with a second layer just to make sure that all the dirt is gone. All right, that should be good enough. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. As you guys can see, all the shadows and liners and everything from my eye makeup is under here now with the olive oil. It removed some of it, but when you wash your face, some of it smudges down to the bags. So as I wash my face, I'm gonna wash my face, remove all the soap, and as I wash it, I'm gonna grab olive oil with the water still running. I'm gonna go ahead and rub the olive oil all around until all the eye makeup is removed. So I'll show you guys how I do that. So once I've washed my face, all the soap, I go in with the olive oil and just go over any of the eyeshadow that's still left over. I'm just rubbing it and washing it away. It feels so good to remove all that makeup. Okay, so now once I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and pat dry my face. And basically, since we've used olive oil on our eyes, it's so silky and creamy and smooth that you'll still have some olive oil left, and you could just use your towel. I would use a napkin, but I'm being lazy over here and just using the towel. There's still some of the residue of the olive oil left around your eyes, so if you get a towel or a napkin and you just wipe it away, it acts like you're using a makeup remover because it's still super smooth and the olive oil left over is still on your eyes, so you could just wipe it away and it'll wipe it easily away. But of course, if you feel like there's still a lot left over, just add some olive oil onto your napkins or your cotton pad and do the same thing as I'm doing here. Sometimes I get so lazy to do this all over here, and especially that I have to go all the way down to my neck and it messes my hair up and there's like water everywhere, that I just go into the shower and do all of this in the shower so I don't have to create a mess in the bathroom. Is anyone else like me, or am I the only one that does this? I did also forget to mention that the Clarisonic that I received also came with this Sonic foundation brush. I'm really excited to try this out. So what you do is you just go ahead and replace the brush that you used to wash your face with this on it instead, and you can apply your foundation and contour. So I might try it out in one of my other makeup tutorials and see how it applies. All right, so now that we've removed all the makeup and we have fresh, clean face on, my nighttime skincare routine is actually pretty easy. I don't put 1,000 things on. There's 2 things that I always have to put on, which is eye cream and moisturizer and lip moisturizer. I am though looking for a good serum to put on before I apply my moisturizer. So if if you guys know of a good serum to apply, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'm still hunting down to try to find a good serum. So one of the first things that I do once I'm done washing my face and all the makeup away is go in with an eye serum. We are in our... do I need to say my age? Do I need to say my age? Is this around the time where I need to stop saying my age? Okay. What? I'm still very young. Okay, well, I'm almost 25 in about 2 weeks, so we gotta do the eye creams, we gotta do the serums, we gotta take care of the skin. So the first thing that I do is go in with an eye cream. I've been using the Saturday Skin Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. It looks like this, and it comes in this super cute pink bottle. In here it says, make every day a Saturday. Saturday Skin helps to reveal the best version of your skin. This eye cream has no paraben, no sulfates, no synthetic fragrance or synthetic color, which is amazing. The smell of this, I don't even know how to explain it. It smells so fresh and clean. So I just grab 1 pump of that and I put it in my ring finger. It's important to put it in your ring finger when you're applying it around your eyes, because your ring finger is the softest or weakest. So try to use your ring finger when you're applying it around your eyes, because that's the most delicate area of your face and you don't want to be too harsh or too strong around that area. So a tip that I've learned, and I've actually learned this in a class that I've attended when I was on a cruise, and that is when you're applying the eye cream around your eyes, to apply it 1 dot in here, 1 dot here, 1 dot around here, here, and up here. So we're gonna start from here and go here, and then when you reach here, just apply a little bit of pressure and then go around, apply a little bit of pressure and then go around, and then I just like dabbing it around so it absorbs into my skin. And once you feel like the eye cream is gone, you want to stop blending it in. So don't keep blending and blending it in till it's completely dry. So as you guys can see, it's still wet, but I don't see any cream on left. So you don't want to keep blending it in till it's completely dry. You want to keep it a little bit wet and have it lay on the surface of your skin just a little bit. So that's the first step. The next step is I apply moisturizer. I always use the Aquaphor Healing Ointment Lip Therapy or my Vaseline. Those are the only 2 moisturizers that I use for my lips. I don't use a regular chapstick because I have really, really dry skin. So I need something intense, and those 2 are the strongest lip ointments that I've tried. So next I go in with a moisturizer. If you guys watched my previous videos, you would have known that I used to be oily, but then I went on Accutane. I went on Accutane 3 years ago, and ever since then, everything turned dry. My face, my body, I'm completely dry now. I make sure the moisturizer that I use is really hydrating, really moisturizing, because I really need something that is gonna keep me moisturized all night long. So I've been trying the Susan Ciminelli Special Reserve with seaweed extracts, lavender, neroli, and mint. It looks like this. Now it comes with a little spoony, something to dip it and put it on your face, but honestly it's too complicated and too high maintenance to use that and wash it every day, so I'm just gonna use my fingers. But with this moisturizer, I used it yesterday and I really like the way it feels on the skin, and it does exactly what I need it to do. It's meant for dry skin. It says it's a luxurious anti-aging night cream for dry and mature skin, infused with a blend of essential oils, minerals, and trace elements that quickly transforms dull, lifeless skin. This unique blend of natural elements leave your skin rejuvenated, energized, and hydrated. Now, as I remember, I know that this cream is quite expensive, but a little goes a long way. You have 2 ounces of product in this bottle. Usually the more richer, expensive creams, you don't need quite a lot. So as you guys see, this is still pretty new to me. And yesterday I just used whatever was on the cap and I still had some left over. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use about this much for my entire face and neck. And I'm gonna go ahead. The smell in here smells like, what does it smell like? It smells like seaweed extracts, lavender, and mint. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it all around my face and my neck. And then I try to go in upward motion. We're trying to limit the wrinkles here. Ah, it smells so fresh. All right, and the last thing that I do for my nighttime routine is I just grab some coconut oil. Now I've been using this coconut oil that is dry. It's dry oil. I'm sure you guys can find other brands. This just happens to be the one that I've been using now. It's a dry oil, so it's not like your regular coconut oil that you get from the store where if it's cold, it's gonna freeze up and you have to melt it somehow. So this dry oil is just liquidy, so you don't have to worry about that. But I do like using like the organic, natural, from the store type of coconut oil. But this works just as fine as well. So I do alternate between the two. So what I do for the rest of my body, since I am pretty dry, I just go ahead and rub my arms, my neck, my chest area, basically all around with this. Also my hands, because I'm not sure if you guys know, but if you guys are pretty dry and you don't moisturize enough, that causes more wrinkles, as what I've heard. So especially my hands get really dry as well. That cream that I use on my face is too expensive to be applying it all over my body. So I go ahead and grab coconut oil. Coconut oil is cheap and it's honestly the best moisturizer ever, and just apply that basically all over, and I kind of just tap it onto my neck and my face as well, because extra hydration, why not? And that's basically it. So that is my nighttime routine. It's not too complicated and it's pretty quickly to do. It takes me 5 minutes to do all of this, if not less. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed getting unready with me / nighttime routine. It's about 3 a.m. so I think it's time for me to go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love it if you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed. I do upload videos every single week. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and good night if it's nighttime. If not, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!